Hello everyone. Today I received Blendtec Go Jar, which is similar to Vitamix personal jar. So a few months ago, Vitamix released that personal jar. From that time, I was waiting something similar in Blendtec because I'm using Blendtec 650, which is exclusive to Best Buy. So recently I found that Blendtec also released this Blendtec Go Jar, and there is little difference from this one and the Vitamix. So let's see. They included straws and disposable cups and the jar. This is the base. The blade, it is similar to the bigger ones, and this is lid. So I was talking about it is little different from the Vitamix jar. So basically, every time you don't need to blend in the same jar, and you need to clean that obviously. So this jar you can blend in the disposable glass itself. So basically you can put it inside the bigger one, and I guess you can. So you can blend like this, so you don't need to wash the upper one. It's looking good. I'll make another video while to make some smoothies or something.